Hey, sixth graders, happy Germsgiving Day 4. Today's the day when everything is due. We have so much to do. I hope you'll do something, but I don't want to whine, but I got to show you some stuff. Watch this. I feel like every week I'm begging you not to fail, and I have these kids that are just failing. We have 2 math classes. Congrats, Miss Gracie, who's completed 34 lessons already this week. This should actually be from November. That doesn't really matter. November 1st. So lessons are up, but you know what? We still have 36 kids that have 0 lessons. So that means you are failing math on purpose. That's what that means. It's right there in front of you. I'm here to help you every single day, but you're just not doing it. So let's take a look at some other stuff. Today, jam boards are due, right? Today's Thursday at 4 o'clock. I'm going to grade them. So let's take a look. Here's somebody's work. She's done some work. Oh, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Some stuff's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Nice work, looks like. I can't wait to read it. And then 0. So, and the next one's Mr. G, who hasn't done anything, but he is helping people. So, if you make a correlation, I'm going to go right back to notice that the kids who have not done any Dreambox are also the kids who have not done any Jamboard. So you're failing math. And I gotta say on purpose, you got more time than any students ever have, and we're not doing it. So that's the bad news. The good news is today's a new day. Let's get started. So you watched the video. This video, where is it? Shoot. Ha, I found it. You watched this video about cellular division. It's about exponents. I know most of you have some experience with exponents, but we're going to talk about it. The reason I'm throwing it in here is because I want you to put it as far as your informed opinion about, does that extra 99 thousandths make a difference or not? So let's talk about what happens with bacteria, what they can do. So in the video, we had Ken, the bacteria, who started off all by himself, and he can reproduce or double every 20 minutes. And back up here to 60. So he starts by himself, but after 20 minutes, he's 2. And then after 40 minutes, he's 2 times 2, so 4. And then after a full hour, he's 4 times 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. So, and that pattern continues. And so we would put, this is 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 to the 3rd power. Okay? 2 to the 3rd power means 2 times 2 times 2. Sorry about the X's. It's just easier for me here on this whiteboard. Equals 8. So that's after 1 hour. How about after 2 hours? It's going to be 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the 6th power equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So after 2 hours, there would be 64 equals 2 to the 6th equals 64. My question to you is, how many after 24 hours? So if you get this bacteria, this pathogen, because he's a germ, he'll make you sick, give you diarrhea and nausea. So after 24 hours, how many of this guy do you have inside you? So if you want to figure out how many cans there are in 24 hours, you should figure out how many times an hour, how many 20 minutes there are in an hour, because that's how long it takes him to double. So, which the answer is 3, by the way, 20, 40, 60, we just saw that. So I'm going to show you a trick that's going to help you. You could do it on this same page of your sheet, but I'm going to go to another Google Sheet here. I just put a little click here and made a little sheet for me there. And I'm going to make a graph. I'm going to say hours, or make a table, sorry. Hours here, and cans. How many cans? I know in 0 hours, before he gets on your fingers and into your stomach, there's only 1 of him. But I know after 1 hour, there are 3 of him. So that is going to be 2 to the 3rd power. We just wrote that there, but there's a different way I can write it here. Remember, equals 2, and then I've got to push the shift key. Above the 6 is this little caret. I hope you can see that. 2 to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 2. And let's push enter, and there's the number 8. So if you think in hour, I don't know, let's say hour 10. So how many is that? That's going to be 2 to the what? 2 to the 30th power. I forgot my equal sign, didn't I? So it's going to be equals. And then I'll just, well, there's my number right there. There's something that's going to happen. You see, I'm going to get into big giant numbers, so I'm going to need to move this over. Also, the last thing I want to show you that could be really confusing, if you get a number with a E, that's going to be scientific, format number. That's going to be because it's scientific notation. I would just stretch this out, click on this one that's going to show number, and make the cell a lot bigger. So I'm already a little over time. I hope you'll turn in everything today. Please go down the list. Please don't turn it in tomorrow, because I'm staying up late tonight to grade your stuff. So that's how this works. Please do your work. Have a great day.